Hey guys, it's Cat 320XL here, and I'm inside of a Waller World Supercenter parking lot. Everybody else went inside, but I figured right now is a great time to show y'all what the duals sound like on this truck when you first crank it up. That's a nice, pretty purring sound, ain't it? If y'all can hear that, I doubt y'all can, but it's a good sound. I love this truck. I love everything about it. Excuse all the shiny, bright lightness shit and all, but this is probably gonna be a crappy video, but I figured y'all might want to see it. But I guess I can match the gas pedal. Maybe. Nah. I'll wait for another time to do that, but Cat 320XL out.